Is your incoming call get automatically received on your Samsung Galaxy phone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can fix and disable the auto answered call on the Samsung Galaxy phone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the phone application from your phone. And once you're here inside the phone, in the recent tab, you just need to go ahead and tap on the three dot line at the top right. And then simply go and tap on the settings option. And once you're here inside the call settings, you just need to go ahead and scroll down and you'll get to see the option answering and ending calls. So you just need to go ahead and tap on this. And inside this one, you'll get to see the answer automatically is enabled. That's why after getting incoming calls within a few seconds, the call is getting automatically received. So now if you want to disable this, all you have to do is just need to toggle off this option, and once you do that, your auto answered call will be disabled. From now, your phone won't receive any call automatically. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.